Righty ho there, young mechanics out there today. Bobby here today. Hopefully you're having a great day at work and your service writer's not getting on your nerves too bad today. Well, anyway, I wanted to make this little video. I got to thinking about, for a young mechanic, what is the most valuable tool that you can own, okay? A tool that is going to do this right here for you. Save you time, let's put save you time and effort, okay? Effort. What tool might that be, okay? I'm going to show you here in just a minute. Is it the most expensive tool that I have? Nope. Is it the prettiest and shiniest tool that I have? No. I don't even keep this tool locked away in a toolbox. Okay? Alright. I've kept you in suspense long enough. Let me show you what it is. It is a roll-around cart. Okay? A roll-around tool cart. Let me show you this a little closer. Okay, here's a little better look at my roll-around tool cart that I've had for 30 years. I think I bought this in 1988 off of a Mack tool truck, okay? It's been beat around quite a bit, but it works pretty good, still works, all right? Now, one thing, I think I paid about $100 or maybe $120 for this thing several years ago, and this, you can't really tell, I'm about 6'2", but this thing comes up to about my belt line, okay? It's a little taller than like some of the cheap carts that you'll see at Northern Tool or some of your home improvement stores. You want something where you don't have to bend over to reach in here, because this here is going to save you time and effort, because you're not going to be walking back and forth in front of your toolbox, okay? That's where this right here will save you time and effort. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Alright guys, here's my little demonstration. Let's say you're in a shop, service writer just walks up to you, gives you a work order to do a brake job, okay? And the brake job's over in this other bay that's typically not your bay, okay? But it's like a couple bays away. So what do you gotta do? You're gonna walk over here to your toolbox, get your impact wrench, you're gonna walk over here to the car, take the wheel off. And then, hey, there's a workbench over here. Let's walk over here, lay that down. Now we need our air ratchet. Let's go get it, okay? Let's walk back over here to the car. Let's take this off. Let's pull the caliper off. Take the pads. Oh yeah, walk back over here to the workbench. We gotta do that. Back and forth, back and forth. Wasting time, wasting your energy, your effort, okay? Let me show you how easy when you have a good cart, okay? Let's do that right. Okay, service writer just walked up to you, handed you that ticket for that brake job. Let's just take your cart right on over here to your toolbox that you're going to be using. Let's reach down here. Let's go and grab our impact right quick. Air ratchet. I'm going to throw them up here in the top. Let's go ahead and grab, let's see, we're probably at some Nissan. We're probably going to need a 12 and a 14. Maybe a 19. I might need my breaker bar. We need a 21 millimeter socket. Gonna need a 3/4, probably pull that caliper bracket off. And I'm gonna need my pliers probably to push the caliper back. Man, we got all our tools and we just threw them in here, okay? Now we're gonna roll on over here to this car. And we got everything that we need. All we gotta do is stretch our air hose over there and start working. We got a place to lay our bolts, our nuts, our brake pads, our brand new pads when they actually get here. We got everything right here around us. And we can roll this around the car. Friends, that's called saving time and saving effort, okay? So a roll cart, it don't have to be pretty, okay? It don't have to be clean. It just has to be functional, okay? It's gonna be your most valuable tool that you have. All right, friends, go get you one. If I can find you one, I'll put a link down below. Have a great day.